Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about rationalization. Basically, most of the students feels difficulty when they are going to rationalize the denominator. So basically this chapter will be number systems in class 9th, and in previous classes also students solve the questions of rationalization and they feel difficulty in rationalization of denominator. So first of all we will talk about what is rationalization and what are the questions, which types of question will be asked. So first of all, rationalization is the process. By this process we have to remove the irrational numbers from denominator. This is the process. Basically we have to remove the irrational numbers from denominator and we have to write in irrational form. So basically 2 or 3 types of question will be asked in rationalization. So when we are going to talk about types, so we are having type 1. In first type, a denominator will be monomial. Denominator will be monomial. I hope you all know monomial. What is monomial? That is, monomial is in single terms. So monomial irrational numbers will be given. Monomial irrational number will be given in question. So see which types of question. Basically, for example, I am writing questions like I am writing this is 20 upon root 5. So see here, root 5 is irrational number, it is monomial. Second question we can also write like 12 upon root 3, this is monomial. Next question we can also write 32 upon under root 18. And one more question I am writing. Basically students get confused about this question, 24 upon 3 root 6. So how to solve this question by rationalization? Basically this is very simple. Most of the students talk about this question, they will very confused about this. So when we are going to talk about these questions, so see the questions, types of questions. A first question, in denominator only root 5 is given. So basically what you will do, you have to multiply and divide with root 5, you will get the solution. In second question also root 3 is only given. So when you will multiply with root 3 and divide with root 3, will get the solution. In question number C, same we have to do, multiply and divide with root 18, we will also get the solution. Otherwise what we will do, we can write 3 root 2, we can tell root 18 is 3 root 10, 3 root 2. So we can also write in this form, and question number D is 3 root 6. So how to solve these questions? Basically I am going to solve one question, at least one question, so that you will get the idea how to solve. So our first question is 20 upon root 5. So how to rationalize it? 20 upon root 5, this is our first question. So in rationalization process what we will do, we will to multiply and divide by the denominator whatever it will be given. So we can write root 5 upon root 5. So when we will multiply and divide, this one will be, there is no any changes. So what it will come, 20 root 5, and root 5 into root 5, what you will write, root 5 square, and you already know that root 5 and root 5 will be 5. So it will come 20 root 5 upon 5, and when you will cancel it 5 with 20, it will be cancelled in 4 times. So finally we will get answer 4 root 5. So this is very simple concept how to solve it. I hope you all are able to solve it. So this types of question you will solve it. Next question I am going to, this is our second type of question in which it is written root 18. So question is given 32 upon root 18. So either you have to multiply with root 18 or you have to write 32, and root 18 can be written as 3 root 2, because you already know 3 into 3 9 and 9 into 2 18. So root 18 will be written as 3 root 2. So basically student get confused about this. Here 3 is also given, root 2 is also given. So what we will do? See, remember that only root 2 is irrational, 3 is not irrational. So basically what you have to do, you have to multiply with root 2 and divide with root 2. Don't multiply with 3 root 2 and 3 root 2. You have to use only irrational numbers. So what you will get? 32 root 2 upon 3 into 2. So it will come 32 root 2 upon 6. 32 and 6 will be cancelled with 2 in 16 times and in 3 times. So it will come 16 root 2 upon 3. So basically students get confused about this ki 3 root 2 is given, that means we have to multiply and divide with 3 root 2. That is wrong. We have to multiply with only root 2. We will get the solution. Don't multiply with 3 root 2. Our next question is 24 upon 3 root 6. So what we will do? Third question is 24 upon 3 root 6. So here root 6 is irrational. So multiply with root 6 only. Don't multiply with 3 root 6. So what we will get? 24 root 6 upon 3, and root 6 into root 6 is 6. And cancel it. 3 8 ja 24, and 6 and 8 will be cancelled with 2 in 4 time and 3 time. So it will come 4 root 6 upon 3. So this is very simple. This is first types of question in which denominator will be monomial. So this is first type. I have already written here the denominator will be monomial irrational numbers. In second types of question will be also that, but without solving the second type, before I am going to write some more questions which are not only here. See, numerator is also monomial. So second types of question will be asked like this. That means denominator will be monomial but numerator will be binomial. So what we will do? This is also the first type, second part. So this which types of question will be asked? Like question will be 5 plus root 2 upon root 3. So see, basically we are going to rationalize the denominator. Don't see what is given in numerator. Second question also I am writing here. These types of question will be asked in exam. 2 root 3 minus root 2 upon 3 root 5. So students get confused. In numerator also it is root, in denominator also it is root. But don't be confused because this is very simple question. Only you have to rationalize the denominator, not numerator. What you have to do? We have to rationalize the denominator, not numerator. Numerator will be in root form, no problem. So what we will do? How to solve? At least you have to see the one question. 5 plus root 2 upon root 3. So what will multiply? Only you have to multiply root 3 upon root 3. So what it will come? It will come 5 root 3 plus root 2 into root 3. It is root 6 upon 3. This is our solution. Similarly here you have to do, here you have to multiply 2 root 3 minus root 2 upon 3 root 5. Here you have to multiply root 5 and root 5. You will get the solution. So basically don't be confused. These types of question is also first type but second parts or second types. In first part we are having two types of question. First one is denominator is monomial, numerator is also monomial. But is this second type, denominator is monomial but numerator is binomial. So these types of question will be also asked in your exam. Now we are going to talk about our main basic and second types of question in which most of the students get confused about this second types of question. So in second type of question, what it will be? Our denominator will be binomial. That means denominator is not monomial now. Denominator is binomial. Binomial irrational numbers. So binomial irrational numbers. So which types of question will be asked in your exam? So these types of question, just I am writing few questions. For example, we are having one question, 1 upon 2 plus root 3. This is second type of question. Or second question I am also writing, this types of question will be also asked, 4 root 5 upon root 7 minus root 3. Or this question will be like this, 5 upon root 3 plus root 2. So these types of question will be asked for rationalization. Then what we will do? So basically we are going to talk about question number 1, 1 upon 2 plus root 3. So see here what we will do in rationalization, basically what we will do, these types of question will be given, that is binomial is given. So what we will do, you have to take, multiply and divide the denominator, but take the sign opposite sign. So what we will do, we will multiply with 2 minus root 3 and divide with 2 minus root 3. Remember it, again I am here marking what we will do. Here it is plus sign, so here we will multiply and divide with minus sign. This one is very important, remember it. Otherwise you will do wrong, because we are going to use the mathematical identities to solve it. So in denominator it will become 2 minus root 3, because with 1 we will multiply, we will get the same. But in this process, this is a plus b and this is a minus b. I think you all know a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So what we will write? We will write 2a square minus root 3 square. So finally what will go? 2 minus root 3 upon 4 minus 3. So 2 minus root 3 upon 1, that is 2 minus root 3. So students, don't get confused, always you have to use, just you have to change the sign and multiply and divide. In these types of second type of question, don't do mistakes. This is very simple question, and just you have to rationalize the denominator. Don't see what is given in numerator. Numerator will be automatically solved. So these types of question will be asked in your exam or board exam, basically in class 9th. So these types of question will be asked, or few question will be asked like this. That means I am writing, this is very important question and it is also given in NCERT exemplar. See, one question I am writing, these types of question will be generally asked in your exam. How to find the solution and rationalization process is required in this question. So these types of question is generally asked in your exam. If you will see or think about this, these types of question is asked so many times. Like question is, if x is equal to y is equal to given, for example, see, if these types of question, x is equal to something is given, for example, see, root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 minus root 2, and y is equal to also given. It is just opposite of this x, root 3 minus root 2 upon root 3 plus root 2, and question will be asked like this, find the value of either identity will be asked. So x square plus y square, one question will be like this, or it will be asked x square plus xy plus y square, or it will be asked x square minus xy plus y square, or it will be asked x square plus 2xy plus y square, or x square minus 2xy plus y square. So different types of question will be asked in your exam, but question will be given, form is same. So these types of question will be asked, like 5 types of question will be arises for this question. So for all the question there is very simple concept. What we will do, we have to rationalize this one and find the value of x, and also we have to rationalize the value of y, and also we will get the value of y. Don't take directly a square or anything. First of all you have to rationalize the questions whatever it will be given, and then after you have to put the value in whatever it will be asked to find the value. So solution will be, first you have to rationalize, then after you have to put the value. So see how to solve it. Here I am going to explain you how to solve it. So what is given, x is equal to, it is given root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 minus root 2. So whenever you will going to rationalize, it will be multiplied with root 3 plus root 2 and divided by root 3 plus root 2, because we are going to rationalize the denominator, the opposite sign will take. So what it will come, in above portion it will come root 3 plus root 2 whole square, and below portion it will come root 3 square minus root 2 square. So see, here you are going to use a plus b whole square, and here we are going to use, so basically in numerator we are going to use a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and denominator, in denominator we are going to use a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So what it will come, see finally root 3 plus root 2 square, so we have to use a plus b whole square. So what it will be, a square plus 2ab plus b square. This one is our numerator portion, and denominator it will be already a square, it is 3, b square it is minus 2. So 3 minus 2. So finally what it will come, root 3 square is 3, then 2 into root 3 into root 2. So it will come, what it will come, 2 root 6. So plus 2 root 6, and root 2 square is 2 upon 1. So finally what it will come, 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 root 6 upon 1, that is 5 plus 2 root 6. This is the value of x. So finally what you have got, value of x 5 plus 2 root 6. So here you will write x is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. Now this is very simple. You have to remember that always you have to rationalize first and find the value of x, and similarly you have to do with value of y. So for y we are also going to do, and then after you have to show the solution. If any question will be asked, you can solve. So y is equal to whatever it will be given. It is given root 3 minus root 2 upon root 3 plus root 2. So here you will multiply with root 3 minus root 2 upon root 3 minus root 2. Same process will be applied in numerator. We will apply a minus b whole square, and denominator we will apply a square minus b square. So what it will come, it will come root 3 square plus root 2 square minus 2 times root 3 into root 2, and below side it will come root 3 square minus root 2 square. So finally what you will get, root 3 square is 3, root 2 square is 2, and 2 into root 3 into root 6 minus 2 root 6 upon 3 minus 2. So we will get 5 minus 2 root 6 upon 1. So whatever you will get, finally y is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. Now we will check it. X is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6, y is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. Now whatever will be asked in this question, we will get the solution very simply. For example, see here what you have got, x is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 and y is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. Whatever will be asked, we will get the solution. For example, see if you are having a question, see question number 3, find x square minus xy plus y square. So what you will write, x square, we will write 5 plus 2 root 6 square minus xy, we will write 5 plus 2 root 6 into 5 minus 2 root 6 plus y square, we will write 5 minus 2 root 6 whole square. So you will get the solution. It is very simple question how to find out. So whenever you will solve the question, you will get the solution. But remember that always you have to rationalize the value of x and y, then after you have to put the value, you will get the solution. So this is very simple process how to find the solution of this question. So whenever you will find out x square, what you will get? You will get when you will multiply. So here we are having identity a plus b whole square, and this one is simply multiplied, and here we will use a minus b whole square. So this question is not very simple question. This question is tough for average students. So this one will be the concept how to do the rationalization of questions. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel, and for more educational video you have to visit the description. You will get the these types of video will get. So please visit the channel, like, share and subscribe, and for more educational video please visit the description. Links are available. You will get the link of different types of educational video.